beginners always mess this up. What is a variable? A variable stores a value that can change while your app is running. Use bar when the value will update. For example, if we wanted to store a score for the app, we would create a variable called score and assign score a value of 0. Since the score can be updated, we can then assign score the value of 10. Common uses of variables are, as we can see, a score in a game, the amount of steps that have been walked, text inside a text field, or toggle state in SwiftUI. So what's the difference between a variable and a constant? A constant stores a value that cannot change once you set it. Such as, we use a constant to define a value that cannot never change during runtime. And this is how we will define it. Let max lives equals 3. But then, if we try to change the value at any time, you'll see an error. Max lives is equal to 5. As you can see, the error is here. Cannot assign to max value. Max lives is a let constant. And common uses for constants are app version, like version 1.0, API keys, a user's date of birth, or the maximum number of items. So we use let unless we want the application to be constant and we don't want the values in the application to change. And another example is within this struct that I'll create right now. You'll see how a variable is used and how it is not being manipulated because we're using the wrong data type. So I'll just delete what we just created and then create 2 new variables. So the first one is a constant which never changes. That's called title. The title is assigned the word hello. The next one is the count, which is assigned 0. And then what we need to do is to create a button to demonstrate the actual process that we're trying to show. Button, the caption of the button is tap, and the count will be incremented by 1. But as you can see, this won't never be implemented because we need to use the @state. We need to define count using @state. So what we need to do is type in @state, and now the application or the code is now compilable with no errors. And the reason why we needed to use @state is because SwiftUI needs a mutable value that will trigger a UI update. So you must use @state, which itself uses var. And then when the user clicks on the button, the count would always be incremented by 1. So it will start with 1. Then if I press it again, it will be 2, and then 3, and so on. The next thing we need to demonstrate is type inference. So when we create a variable such as var name equals my name, heavy, Swift compiler automatically knows that we're trying to assign a string, so we don't need to do, for example, var name string Kevin. We can just do var name equals to Kevin or Fred. And the same thing applies with numbers. We can do age is equal to 40, or we can do rating, which is equal to 4.5, which is like a double. Or if we wanted to do a constant, such as pi or VAT, we could do something like let VAT double equals 0.175, or 0.20. So that was a short tutorial on how to use variables and lets constants.